Let's face it, it's hard to drive traffic to a website, especially if you're a startup or a new website. It doesn't matter whether you're B2B or B2C. Fortunately, there are some demand generation strategies that you can implement today to drive traffic to your website in a cost-effective way. Today we'll focus on how you can drive traffic to your website from Medium. Hey, this is Ricky, founder of Markletic, and if you like this video, consider liking it and subscribing to this channel. We'll post a lot of videos about B2B marketing and more videos about how you can drive traffic to your website. So first, what is Medium? Medium is a blogging platform that was launched in 2012. Since its incubation, the market share of Medium has grown significantly, and there's literally millions of people reading content and consuming content on Medium. So it's great for marketers like you and me to get our content in front of our target audience. The audience on Medium is that large that it's almost guaranteed that your target audience is actively consuming content on Medium. So it's a must use in your marketing strategy. So why are companies using Medium to drive traffic to their website? In order to answer that question, we need to understand what the market looks like. So first you have the serviceable, obtainable market. And this answers the question of what proportion of the market can you actually reach. So these are your existing channels that you have in order to drive traffic. So it can be your own website, of course, it can be your social media channels, or maybe your YouTube channel. The next is the serviceable available market. So what other third-party platforms can you use to drive traffic to your website, and where is your target audience consuming content? So this is the serviceable available market. So the platform Medium is actually in the serviceable available market. You can syndicate your content to Medium in order to drive traffic back to your website. And of course we'll dive into that in a little bit. So next you have the total addressable market. This answers the question of how large is the largest possible market in your niche. So this is a perfect situation. This is when everything goes right and it's your total addressable market and all your target audience is consuming your content. Basically, this is unrealistic, but it's the total addressable market for your niche or your product. So as mentioned, Medium is part of your serviceable available market. So let's dive right into that and see how you can drive traffic from Medium to your website. So the first step is to republish your content to Medium. So if you follow me, my website Markletic, and you follow me on Medium, you'll see that I republish a lot of content from Markletic to Medium. Why? Because there's more people on Medium than currently on my website. So I'm trying to address the serviceable available market and drive traffic from Medium to my website. And actually Medium has made it super easy for you to do this. So if you dive into the platform Medium, click on your profile picture on the top right corner, click on Stories, click on Import a Story, and just copy and paste your URL to your blog post and then click on import. Basically, your post is imported into Medium now and you need to do some final editing to make it look nice, and then you can publish your post to Medium. So this is quite simple to do. It's a very effective way to get more eyes on your content. The second step is to engage with Medium influencers. So influencer marketing is always a good thing. It's good to get influential people to recommend your product or to collaborate with them. But it's relationship building. So just like a normal relationship, it's giving and taking. So if you're just going to Medium influencers and all you do is taking, they're going to notice it and it's not going to be successful. So really try to build meaningful relationships with people. So it's actually similar to YouTube. So if you engage with other YouTubers and you make joint content, then of course you'll have the benefit that you have two audiences. You have your own audience, but you also have the audience of the other YouTuber. And the same goes for Medium. You can do collaborations with people, so influential people on Medium, and drive more traffic to your content that way. And of course, if you include some backlinks to your own website, you're going to drive more traffic to your website. So the third step is by commenting on articles on Medium. So a great way to drive more traffic to your profile and consequently to your blog post is by commenting on people's articles on Medium. You have to make sure that you're not commenting spammy stuff, right? So really try to add something to an article. try to add value. And if you don't do this, people are just going to delete your comment, or you're going to get blacklisted. This is something that you want to avoid. So always comment something that's valuable. Try to build relationships with other writers. And if you do that, it's similar to step 2. You can build a relationship with them, and you can actually maybe do some joint activities together, and this will drive more traffic to your website. The 4th step is to publish your content to Medium publications. So there's a lot of Medium publications, and I will leave a link down in the description with the top 100 Medium publications that are currently available. And what this does is, when you publish your content to a Medium publication, of course you get the extra benefit that you get your content in front of the audience of the Medium publication. And those audiences are generally quite huge. So personally, I'm a writer of the publication The Startup on Medium, and also a writer of the publication Better Marketing. So those publications combined have over 600,000 followers. So of course this is very beneficial to me. And through that, I drive a lot of traffic to Markletic, because when I republish my content that I write on Markletic to Medium, but then I also add it to a publication, it's just getting more eyes on my content. And of course, in every article, I have a backlink to my website, so it's driving more traffic to my website. So the 5th step is engaging in social media activities through Medium. So it's actually a follow-up on publishing to publications, because when you publish your content to publications, of course, those publications also expect that you're going to promote the content. So whenever you have done that, schedule some posts on social media, use tools such as Buffer or Hootsuite, and actually share the content on your social media channels. So if you're in B2B marketing, consider sharing it to Twitter, LinkedIn, you can also use Facebook, but why don't use Reddit as well, right? So if you do this, you're actually showing the Medium publication that you are committed to making the content work, because it's a win-win. You get more eyes on your content. By getting more eyes on your content, you also get more money, but also the publication will earn more money, right? So it's a win-win, and this is absolutely critical. So whenever you post something to Medium or to a Medium publication, always share it to social media and have a social media plan ready. The 6th step is including Medium in your content binging strategy. So we all know what content binging is. A great example is Netflix. Whenever you finish a Netflix series, it automatically plays the next part, right? The next series. So you can do the same in your content marketing strategy or in your conversion strategy. Whenever you have new content on your website, of course, you also have interlinks on your website. So you might have a great article about something, and then you link in that article to another article. So if you also do this on the Medium platform, you'll get more credibility. So if you publish something to Medium, instead of linking from that Medium post to content to your website, try to link from that Medium post to some of your other Medium articles. This will help Medium promote your article more, and this will help a lot. So the 7th step is a little bit of a bonus step. When you publish your content to Medium, you have the ability to add tags. And basically you can tag certain categories such as marketing or B2B marketing. And what this does, it notifies the curators of Medium. And if your content meets the quality standards of Medium, they will actually include it in the distribution list. So it will be eligible for emails, it will be in certain categories on Medium. And basically this will get more eyes on your content. So whenever the Medium curators say that your content is great and they include it in their promotion streams, of course, this is going to get you a lot of views, and this will drive more traffic to your website. So just a little note, some people might worry about Google penalizing their website for duplicate content, because of course, you're literally posting the same content from your website on Medium. So this is something you don't have to worry about. So if you follow the steps that I showed you in step 1, and you import a story from your website through copy and pasting the link, Medium automatically adds a canonical tag. And you can analyze this by going to some of your imported stories, then right click somewhere on the web page, click on view page source, and then search for canonical. After this, you will see a link to your website. And if this is implemented, it basically tells search engines that your piece of content on your own website was the original source of this content. So this way Google doesn't penalize you, and basically it means that you'll get all the SEO benefits of this as well. So that wraps up this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please consider liking it and subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you next time.